Today we're waiting in line to head to Whittier.
It's our blessed adventure. It's our blessed adventure.
And we're going to show you the view right here while we're waiting. Ooh, my eyes are. So, we're
the fam with us.
The fam's here. G-Rod's up there. He's hiding behind the window. And here's the line. We're waiting. Look at this cool little Mini Cooper behind us. 1969. It's about half the size of a Mini Cooper now. Right-hand drive. And then, look at the view. Right over there is a glacier. We're not sure if that's Portage Glacier or not, but that's the glacier. And that's the view all around us.
Yeah, exactly.
They line you up. We're in lane number 2, like the races. And then when they open it up, we'll head through the tunnel into Whittier. So our lane's got the green light, and we're headed into the Whittier Tunnel. If you can see all in front of us, that's just all mountain range up there. And they made this tunnel to go right straight through. And it's also the same tunnel that the train goes through. You see the train track off to the left? And it goes through the same tunnel. You gotta go through on the half hour heading into Whittier, and you come out on the top of the hour from Whittier. Actually, what it did automatically. Isn't it crazy? And it's a train tunnel, basically. Pretty cool.
Wow, and it looks like a mountain inside of here too. Take a picture, please. It's long too.
Oh yeah, it's a long tunnel. They say this is the longest tunnel in North America that goes through a mountain.
This is pretty neat.
Isn't it pretty cool?
It is.
You think, oh, we're just gonna go through a tunnel.
I did. I did too.
You're like, no.
Definitely not what I expected either.
This is the tunnel. Right, what's funny, and
train going through this too.
What's funny is Kevin was telling us you could get a whole different weather on the other side driving through the tunnel. Just to give you a reference how long that tunnel is, driving at 25 miles an hour, it took 7.5 minutes to drive through it. So, you know that's a long tunnel. Hurry.
Camera out. Oh, shit. Video.
Oh, are you serious? It went to video.
I did too.
That was crazy.
There you go.
Let's see. Oh,
As we head into Whittier, you see the Princess cruise ship off to the side. There's gonna be a little traffic jam today here in Whittier because it's only a postage stamp big and you got lots of cars.
Pumpkin's gonna hopefully pull this little bus out of the trench they got themselves in. Oops, sorry about that. Do you name it?
So this is the refurbished Army building here in Whittier that now is the Glacier View Condo Suites, and it's right there, beautiful back set to the mountains, and everything is just gorgeous. Right behind that building, you can see over here with the green roof, right back there, that's the school, the Whittier Eagles. So they got this view out that way, and I'm sure over top of these buildings you can see over to the water. We just looked up over here across the street, and they got some little containers put together, making some, looks like housing right here. There's 3 rows, four deep containers. Well, there's 4 in this first one, 4 in the second one, and 2 in that last one, but all built out of containers. I don't know if it's living or office or combo of both. Pretty cool. Right down from those container buildings are some more container buildings that they've made into a self-storage. They're very crafty here. They got the Alaska Railroad Whittier cutoff monument there, and then there's a pedestrian tunnel that leads down from this side over to the other side, down through there, and it's just a big old pipe cut through. And we're gonna cruise down this strip, and it's a whole lot of industrial area over here. Pretty cool. They process the fish here. These are all the frozen ones. They run those up to that machine up there. Inside they separate, process it, take the eggs out, and then they take the eggs over across the street, and then they take the rest of the fish, and I see the guys inside putting them on trays. Pretty slick operation. So we stopped by the Whittier Port Historic District, the Buckner building. This is the other building that was involved when they built the buildings here for the war, for the soldiers to be housed in. You can pause that and read it. But this building is totally abandoned. It's fenced off and abandoned, whereas the other one you just seen a little bit ago has all been totally redone and is now used as condos for the people that live here in Whittier. So there was 2 buildings, the one that's colorful and filled with people, and this one here that's abandoned and fenced off. Along with being just a great place to visit, Whittier is known for being a cruise port, a fishing town, and an outdoor mecca. People come and take jet ski trips out to the glaciers, and you can also drive out to the point where you just seen us sitting and look out and see this glacier in the background. It's a pretty cool place to visit, and if you're in the area of Whittier, stop on through, check it out. I think for everyone it'd be a great place to stop and visit. Well, we hope you enjoyed our quick look at the Whittier area and driving through the Whittier Tunnel. We have lots more of Alaska for you to view, so hang in there with us and check out the rest of our adventures in Alaska. If you haven't subscribed, please push that subscribe button. We're thankful for you who have recently subscribed and those of you who have subscribed for a long time. So continue to leave us comments, share us with your family and friends, because we love to hear from you, and we greatly appreciate you guys following along. So have a blessed day from Noel's Blessed Adventures.